Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a Ton wallet very quickly. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your App Store or your Google Play Store. So once you get to your App Store or Google Play Store, all you just need to type is Ton Keeper Wallet. Okay, so right over here, you can see that I already have this app on my phone. So to you, it's going to be showing download, but to me, it's actually showing open. So I just have to click on open. So once this actually opens, you have two options. You can actually create a new wallet or import existing wallet. Okay, for the sake of this video, I'm going to be creating a new wallet. All right, so the first thing they will ask you is to input a passcode. So you can actually put in any of the passcode, then we enter that passcode. So once you input that passcode and we confirm that passcode, automatically you have actually created a Ton wallet. So you just have to come down here and click on continue. So right over here, your Ton wallet is ready and it's activated. So right now, your Ton wallet is ready and activated. Now, the next thing you want to do is to enable transaction notification. Okay, so that is the simplest way for you to create your Ton wallet. So right now, you can actually use Face ID for your transaction. All you just need to do is to click on this button and you'll be asked to input that passcode. So you have to input the passcode. So right over here, you're actually using a Face ID for your transaction. Now, to receive funds on your Ton wallet or to copy your wallet address, all you just need to do is to click on receive. And actually, this is your Ton wallet address. Then you just have to come down here and copy your Ton wallet. So that is actually your Ton wallet for any transaction you want to be doing using this wallet. Okay, so right over here to send, you can actually click on this to send your Ton to other crypto wallet address. All right, so that is how you can create your Ton wallet to receive and send funds with it. So thank you for watching this video. I know you got value from this video, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. And also, if you have watched this video to this moment, I have a free gift for you. All you just need to do is to go down in the comment section and type in Ton wallet, and I'll be coming right there to attend to your comments.